Hello, 8th grade science. In this video, I just want to go how to fill out or want to go over how to fill out your notes for the scientific method and how we'll kind of focus on filling out notes for the rest of this class, this course. So if you look down here, your explain, that's where I usually will talk about what notes you're filling out if you have them. And so we're looking for notes on the scientific method. Remember, that's kind of your assignment for this activity. There's no other activity along with it. And so this is what it'll look like for you. And so the way that I've set up notes, usually they're one page. These are two. But you kind of have your copy. This is the part that you're filling out here. These are all text boxes that if you double click, you can type in. Sometimes you'll have these boxes on the side that you can move. So like I can move these over here. And if you're trying to figure out, well, what, Mr. Worthman, where are the answers? How do I figure out what I'm typing here? That's what the teacher notes are. So they'll always try and be somewhere near the title, and it's always linked. What I found works best for me is if they're in a PDF, because what I really want you to do is to type these actual things here. Last year when I taught the virtual students, I had a lot of kids that were copying and pasting. And while, yes, that is filling out your notes, you're not going to remember it as well as if you actually type it yourselves. Preferably, I'd have you write everything. But since you're on the computer already, we're going to take our notes digitally. So the next best thing would be to type them. So you're going to be looking at the teacher notes. I would really recommend, I don't know if you guys can probably do this on your Chromes at home, is put them split screen. So try and do them side by side here. And that way I can look at this, I can type, and then I can type my notes. Sciences, low study. You get the idea. Okay, that'll make your lives a little bit easier than having to go back and forth. All right, and then you're just basically trying to copy or mirror what the teacher notes are onto yours. That's really how I like to set it up. I think that's the easiest way of going about it. So that's what I'd recommend. Sometimes if I figure out a better method, like I know in a lot of times with our documents, there's that open and preview, and you can't do that yet with PDFs. But that'd be really handy too, because then you don't have to do it split screen. But I haven't figured that out yet. So right now I'm just sticking to the PDF because I think that that's the most effective. So hopefully that makes sense. Good luck filling out your notes, and then just make sure you turn those in on Google Classroom so that your teacher, can check on those, grade those, make sure they get done. Bye-bye.